How to fix Windows Clipboard not working on Windows 10. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, go to search bar and search for setting. Then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Again, click on find the setting. Then search for Clipboard. Click on Clipboard setting. Then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Make sure Clipboard history is turned on and try to on and off. After that, simply restart your phone and your Windows Clipboard will be fixed. And that's how you fix Windows Clipboard not working on Windows 10. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.